Hey guys, ready to make some paper squishies? Oh yeah, we love paper squishies! Okay, for this activity we're gonna need whatever drawings you're gonna use to make your squishy, tape, scissors, bigger tape, and glue. First, we're going to tape the drawings. So then your squishy is squishier. I want to put tape all over the drawing. Now the other one. I think only 2 pieces of tape on this one, on the popsicle. Now, before we start cutting, you want to make sure that you have 2 pieces of paper. You see this one only has 1? I'll need another piece of paper to put it in the back. So when I go to make my squishy, I have both sides. And now we're gonna cut. This popsicle squishy is gonna be so cute. You cut all around the popsicle or whatever drawing you have. And now we're gonna get another piece of paper, any paper you have in the house. I have this really thin paper. You hear the noise? I don't need all this much. So I'm gonna use half of this paper for the popsicle and half of it for the ice cream cone. Now we're going to flip this over and put some glue on the borders. Crumble the paper. Place it right in the middle. And put your drawing on top. Now to secure all the little edges, I'm gonna use tape. And now I'm gonna use this kind of tape. And make sure all the little edges are sealed. And there, the popsicle squishy is done. Oh, I love making paper squishies. Now let's do the other one. First, we're gonna make sure that we have 2 papers. And now we're gonna cut. This is the ice cream cone popsicle. not popsicle, just the ice cream cone. I do want to leave this heart as part of my squishy. But I'm cutting out that heart. This is the bunny ice cream cone. Blue. And then comes the squishy paper. That goes right in the middle. Gonna secure the floppy ears here. And this edge. Now I'm gonna use the tape to finish closing all the little borders. And this paper squishy is done. Bunny ice cream and popsicle. Whoa! A bunny ice cream? It's so squishy! Oh! And they're so cute. Oh, Bluey, can we eat them now? Oh, bingo, these are not for eating. Oh, okay. But they're so cute. Super, super cute paper squishies. Well, guys, I hope you like this arts and crafts activity. And we'll see you next time. Bye.